Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to set your search bar in WordPress Blocksy to search for pages only. Okay, so we don't really have too big of a compelling example here, but just to show you, in a previous video, we set it to search through everything, including blog posts. So these two are blog posts, this and this, and these two are products. And if I search about, you can see about us through here. How do we make sure that we don't open products or blog posts on our search bar when we're trying to navigate just our pages? So let's go ahead and click on Customize and open up the WordPress Customizer. Let's click on Header, or wherever you'll find your search box, and click on the search box and scroll down, and you'll see we have Search Through Criteria. So here we can untick posts, we can untick products and leave pages ticked, publish the page, save our changes, and we can refresh our site. And here we can see, type something like that, and you can see it only shows us pages. So there's how you set a search bar in WordPress Blocksy to search through pages only, not posts, not products. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.